Well, hello, my building freaks. I swam deep for this one. I've waited a long time to get to these Call of Duty sets. Seal Specialist. CNG72. An underwater adventure set. We're gonna make this one fast. It's pretty self-explanatory, except for his firearm. 41 awesome underwater pieces. Just take a look at this set. I just love it. There's a few specialized pieces in this kit. The figure looks pretty cool. As always, Bloks did a great job with this. There's a very nice printed console readout. They included a clear stand for the watercraft. It's posable, it turns, it moves up and down. He's ready for battle. He comes with his little flippers, and his color looks sort of, well, swampish. That's right, it looks to me like he's got a Chris Vector SBR. I could be wrong, but you decide. Speaking of that, if you guys are interested in firearms, accessories, and whatnot, check out my other channel. I think you'll like it. Let's get back to this, though. He looks well equipped and ready for his mission among the seascape in the deep waters. Look at the foliage. It's beautiful. And a beautiful rock. I love rocks. And foliages is... Anyways, this is a nice little set. And this set goes well with a few of the other sets that I have coming to you soon in the next few weeks. I dug deep in my pile of Bloks and Construx kits, and I'm gonna bring out some things that I should have done a long time ago. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell thingy so you can see when I have new videos for you. Don't forget about our veterans and our first responders. Please give me a thumbs up. CNG72, the Seal Specialist. Please take some time, and if you're not registered to vote, do so. This is the most important election ever. And don't forget to keep the Lord first. Keep praying. Pray for our country and our people. And until next time, keep